All right, let's move on to some fish. Look at this beautiful block of white fish, just gorgeous. This is halibut. Now, we're gonna make this with a chermoula, which is basically like a relish in the style of Morocco or Tunisia. But the first thing I need to do is actually get this halibut on the grill. Very simple here, just a little bit of canola oil and salt and pepper on both sides. This is a very dense piece of fish, so make sure you season it really well. All right, so we're just gonna go right to the grill. Here's the key, leave it alone. All right, people get really intimidated by grilling fish because it sticks a lot, and it sticks because everybody gets nervous and they start messing around with it to make sure it's not sticking. So we're gonna let this get nice and crusty on the grill, maybe turn it 90 degrees or so, and then we'll flip it over and we'll finish it. All right, our summertime party continues. Check this halibut out. This is just olive oil, salt, and pepper, really nice and crusty on the outside. It's actually cooked at this point. It probably took about 12 minutes total. It always pays to have a big spatula like this. All right, so we're just gonna let this finish cooking right there. Looks beautiful. And now we're gonna make the topping for this. This is chermoula, which is a Moroccan or Tunisian style relish, so to speak. We're gonna start, like I start a lot of things, with some garlic. All right, so we're gonna start with some canola oil. I'm gonna cook our garlic. We have some saffron. I just put the saffron in a little bit of water. This way, the saffron will bloom and it will become part of the sauce in a much more sort of spread out and balanced way. Then we have some ground coriander and some chili diarbo or cayenne pepper would work, you know, for a little heat. Some ground cumin and some chili ancho, which is sort of like a fruity chili. Then I have some fresh herbs, like some fresh mint and some cilantro. All right, so we saute the garlic. And then with that, we're just gonna bloom some of these spices right in it. Some cumin, some of the chilies, and then a little bit of the saffron. It smells amazing. I'm gonna put these into a bowl, and then I can start throwing the rest of the ingredients on top of this. So I'm gonna add the tomatoes and the roasted red peppers that I chopped up, some mint and some cilantro. So it's actually starting to look like sort of a Moroccan-style salsa, actually. And then a little bit of lemon zest, a little salt and pepper. I'm gonna let the flavors kind of melt together. This is a very flavorful relish. Wow, that's big, big flavor. So I'm just gonna put a little extra virgin olive oil on top and a splash of lemon juice. And we're just gonna put our chermoula right on top. This is gorgeous. Very luscious. A little fresh mint. There we go. Halibut with chermoula. A dish like this chermoula, I mean, just works so well with the halibut. And that little bit of lemon juice is the key, because it just wakes it all up.